Hello everybody, it's Jason with Investing Logically. Hope you guys have a wonderful day today. In this video we're talking about the top recovery stocks to buy now. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more videos like this, feel free to like this video for the YouTube algorithm so more people can learn investing and finance. They're an online marketplace for vacation accommodation. People can earn money by listing their home, and customers can choose to rent out their home depending on their needs. People go on vacation, they decide to book out an Airbnb instead of a hotel. The reason why is because they are more cheaper and they have more options. They have 5.6 million in active listings, 220 plus countries and regions with Airbnb listings, and 100,000 cities with active Airbnb listings. According to Yahoo Finance, in 2019 they had 4.8 billion in revenue. This revenue decreased to 3.6 billion in 2020. So in my own opinion, I'm not too worried about this. This was bound to happen because of COVID-19. People were in lockdown and they couldn't go on vacation. But as 2021 goes by and the vaccines released and everything reopens, I do think this is going to explode. People will be traveling more and using Airbnb as their accommodation. So we're now going to look at some price targets. They have a price target of $161.13. They have a high of $240 and a low of $103. They have 11 buys, 19 holds, and 1 sell. Going to worry about these price targets too much. In the company, you believe in their fundamentals, you believe in their future, then invest in the company. Don't base your decision on these analysts. Only down 2.85% on a day. How would I invest $1,000 in this company? $1,000 is just an example. You can invest how much you want. I would be averaging down. So tomorrow I put my first $250 no matter the price because we believe in the company. Then the next day if it drops to $190, I put my next $250 on that. Next day if it drops to $185, I put my next $250 on that. $180, I put my last $250 on that. It might not even drop to $180, but we're going to have cash on hand to buy the dips. We're going to expect the dip. My price target for this year is easily $300. I'll be holding the stock for at least 10 years. We know when people go out on vacation, they will need accommodation. Where they go for accommodation, they go to Airbnb. The next stock is called Delta Airlines. Delta is one of the major airlines in the United States. What they said was Delta Airlines was better in terms of COVID-19 precautions, how clean it was, and the service that they got. Look at their 2020 financials. They have total revenue of 17 million. It was a decrease from 47 billion in 2019. That's because of COVID-19. They have nearly 72 billion in total assets. See, they have 70 billion in total liabilities. They have just enough more assets than liabilities, so that is good. They have nearly 2 billion in current debt, and they have 27 billion in long-term debt. COVID-19 hit them hard. They needed cash to run their company. They have 14 billion cash. That is enough to pay off their current debt. One institution today increased their positions. We're going to look at some analyst price targets now. Price target of $49.82. They have a high of $58, so that is good. They have 7 buys, 5 holds. On the month it's up 17%. On the year it's still down 12%. How would I invest $1,000 in this company? $1,000 is just an example. You can invest how much you want. I would invest in this one by averaging down and strike prices. When market opens, I put my first $250 no matter the price because we believe in the company. If it drops to $45, put your next $250 on this. Then the next day if it drops to $40, put your next $250 on that. Then on the last day if it drops to $35, put your next $250 on the stock. It might not even drop that low, but we're going to be prepared for the dips. So what are my price targets for this? This could go to $100 if COVID clears up. Ticker symbol UBER. So basically Uber is a technology company that offers ride sharing, food delivery, and many more. You can actually sign up to be an Uber driver. You can request an Uber to take you to a destination. You can do food deliveries. They offer electrical bikes or electrical scooters if you want. Walgreens and Uber join forces to address barriers to COVID-19 vaccine equity. Walgreens is a pharmaceutical company. Transportation should never be a barrier to healthcare, so they want to address this. Free transportation to Walgreens stores and off-site vaccine clinics, so that's good. So these two companies are working together to help those without transportation to these vaccines, so that's good. Some people may not get vaccinated because of transportation. This partnership addresses it. In 2019, they had 3.7 billion in revenue, but in 2020, they had 3.1 billion in revenue. Delivery revenues have grown to 24% in 2020, so that's good. Mobility is the main service, so that's why the total revenues are down. We look at the balance sheet now. 33 billion in total assets, 19 billion in total liabilities, so that's good. They have more assets than liabilities, so that is good. The only problem I see is their long-term debt, that is 7.5 billion. But when we look at some price alerts from 28 and others, they have average price alert of $71.24. This is a 27 upside from its current price, so that's good. They have a high of $80 and a low of $60, so that's good. Only down 7% on the week. On the year, they are 46%, so that's good. How would I invest $1,000 in this company? I'll be option down, so it's tomorrow I put my first $250 no matter the price, because we believe in this long term. Say if it drops to $54, I'll put my next $250 on that, and the next day on Friday if it drops to $50, I'll put my next $250 on that. Monday if it drops to $47, I'll put my next $250 on that, and I have a $300 price tag for this in 5 years. There's another COVID-19, this could drop down to $20, so take that into account. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Feel free to like this video for the YouTube algorithm so more people can learn investing and finance. That's it from me. That's it from me. That's it from me. That's it from me. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. That's it from me. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. See you guys in the next one, and happy investing.